In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pictograph in Excel. A pictograph is a chart where bars are filled with images or textures, making your data more visual and easier to understand at a glance. You'll only need a simple data set in Excel, think categories with numbers, and we'll transform it into a compelling, image-filled chart. Start by selecting the cell or range that contains the values you want to visualize. If you have multiple categories, include both the labels and their corresponding numbers so Excel knows what to plot. Make sure your numbers are formatted as values, not text, and avoid blank rows in the middle of your selection so the chart builds correctly. With your data highlighted, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where all chart types live. We are going to build a standard chart first and then style it to look like a pictograph, which keeps the process fast and flexible. Choose the bar chart menu and select the clustered bar option. This creates horizontal bars for each category, giving you a clean foundation for the pictograph look. Once the chart appears, you can drag it to a clear space on your sheet so you can see everything you're doing. Next, select one of the bars in the chart and double-click it to open the Format Data Series pane. This pane controls the appearance of the bars. If you don't see it immediately, it usually appears on the right side of the screen. The key is that you're formatting the series itself, not just the plot area or the entire chart. In the Format Data Series pane, switch to the Fill and Line options, the icon that looks like a paint bucket, and choose Picture or Texture Fill. This tells Excel to use an image-based fill instead of a solid color or gradient. It's the crucial step that gives the chart a pictograph style. Now choose a texture from the built-in gallery. As soon as you pick one, your bars will update and display that texture. Try a texture that matches your theme and maintains good readability. High contrast patterns tend to work best. If the texture looks too bold or busy, use the transparency slider to tone it down so your axis labels and values remain clear. You can also resize the chart slightly to give the texture more room to breathe. That's it. You've turned a standard bar chart into a pictograph. For a polished finish, keep your icons or textures simple, ensure there's enough contrast with your background, and keep labels short so the visuals stay the focus. Save your workbook, and you're ready to present data in a way that's both informative and visually engaging.